Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. In today's topic, I'd like to talk about bad axle. The first common sign of a bad axle is going to be clicking noise while turning. So basically, let's just say you have a bad passenger side axle. So basically, if you're turning right, you're gonna hear some sort of clicking noise. For example, it's gonna sound like this. When you make your right turn, it's gonna sound like click, 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 click. So that's basically a clicking noise. So if it makes that clicking noise while turning right, that's going to be a bad passenger axle. And if you turn left, it goes click, 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 click. That's going to be a bad driver side axle. The second most common sign is going to be clunking noise. So basically, if you're accelerating and suddenly you hear this noise while accelerating, that's going to be, most likely, it's going to be your axle. So basically, again, this is caused by worn bearings on the inside and it's falling apart. So again, when you're accelerating and when it has load, it's going to go make that type of noise. The next common sign is going to be vibration. So you're driving down the road and you feel strong vibration throughout your vehicle. Most likely, it's going to be caused by your axle. So again, strong vibration can only be felt during acceleration and while the vehicle is in motion. The next common sign is popping noise. So if you hear some sort of popping noise, that could be caused by your axle plunging in and out of the transmission. That means it is no longer secure. So most likely all you have to do is push this axle back in until it's secure, and maybe it'll make the popping noise go away. The next common sign is going to be torn rubber boot. If this rubber boot or dust boot, however you call it, is worn and torn, it's going to allow dirt to go inside it, and it's going to allow grease also to leak out of it. So when that happens, the bearing starts to dry up, and eventually it's going to cause increased friction and heat, and going to cause the bearing to fail. The next common sign is going to be no acceleration. So your axle is completely broken. This part over here can no longer turn the wheel. So if you find that if you're giving it gas and your vehicle is going nowhere, there's a good chance that your axle broke in half or came apart. Also, if you hear a strong clunking noise as well, that's also been an indicator that your axle has completely failed. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.